It's a strange time to start a vlog, but here we are. I got my new vlogging camera and that's what we're filming on. It's also raining today, so this is probably not the best idea. But I'm actually headed to Sephora right now because I need to grab a few things for an Instagram post that I'm doing for a very special brand, which you'll see soon on my channel, or my page. But yeah, so pretty much, I thought I would start weekly vlogging. I mentioned to you guys that I wanted to do more vlogging anyway, hence the camera. Okay, so I just got back from Sephora. I did go ahead and purchase what I needed to for the brand. I also, I'm now just brainstorming kind of content ideas for this specific shoot as well as some other shoots that I have to do. A lot of products that I receive are beauty products. I do a few clothes, like clothing Instagram posts as well, but a lot of them are like primarily beauty focused, which I don't mind. I actually really enjoy, but I'm doing a little bit of research on how I can showcase it the best. I think that's super important, as well as creating content that the brand can also repost. That's like a very, very important part of creating content. This is just from skincare, so don't freak out. But anyways, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm just kind of figuring out what video ideas I want to do for TikTok. Just filling out my planner as well. There's so many things I have to do. I have an assignment due tonight as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and just keep on working. I had a meeting with Forever 21 tomorrow morning, but I think I'm gonna have to cancel it just because I think, yeah, I'm just gonna have to cancel it for multiple reasons. And then I have another meeting later in the afternoon. I've got a few meetings tomorrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing some work, and then we'll have dinner later. Okay, I'm all ready for bed, and I just did my whole skincare. I've been recently getting like slight eczema slash like heat rashes on my neck, so I've been moisturizing like my neck a lot, aside from the point. But I have a Pilates workout tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into bed, go to sleep, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm stopped here at a red light, but I'm heading out to Pilates now. I'm on my way. I need to like figure out a place to put this so that you guys don't yell at me. Okay, see, but then I'm scared it's gonna fall over and my cord thing is there. I'm just definitely need a mount or something for my car for this camera, just because it is smaller, so it'll fit better. But let me see, I guess this is better. So I'm heading out to my Pilates class right now, running a little bit late. It's Reformer Pilates. I just finished my Pilates class and I'm walking my dog here. Pilates has been really nice for me because I've just been able to stretch out my body, because I typically, when I work out by myself, I do a lot of like more weight training types of things, and it really makes my body really tight. Like I find myself like always on the computer, and like my shoulders are like up to here next to my ears and stuff. So I think Pilates has really helped, and I'm only saying this after like 2 classes, which is terrible, but it's something that I definitely want to try to keep up and doing. It is expensive, so I did use like Groupon to get mine, which was nice, but hopefully they have some more options. Wow, the sun is super bright. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and walk my dog today. I have a meeting later this afternoon at 2, so I have to drive down to downtown LA. I'm hoping to film a lot of TikTok content today. I just feel like TikTok is one of those things where it takes so much time, and I have strategies and stuff already, like video ideas and things, and so it's super important to me to like spend that time and get it right so that it looks right, because I know it just engages better. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do while my arm is tired from doing Pilates and holding this camera up. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk my dog, and then I'll see you guys later when I get back inside. To eat this morning, my mom made some kind of a homemade granola mix with bananas and strawberries inside, and blueberries in there too, with some Greek yogurt, which I'm so excited to eat. But if you know anything about me, I really don't like sweet breakfasts. Like, I really prefer to eat salty breakfasts all the time. So I actually toasted a bagel. I'm gonna have it with cream cheese, and then I really like adding bruschetta or bruschetta on top. I also really want to try the everything but elote seasoning today. I do have the bagel, everything but bagel seasoning too, which I really love, but today I'm gonna try this one. I'm definitely a salty breakfast type of person. I like my, oh, and we also have this little, I'm gonna show you guys this. We also have this little like egg boiler thing that my sister got, and you put a little bit of water and it boils eggs perfectly to like be yellow in the middle. So I'm gonna have one of those. I don't eat this much for breakfast normally, but I have such a big day that I probably will eat all of this and then skip lunch or eat lunch a little bit later. So that's the plans. Also, my set today that I wore to Pilates is by Ari Athletica. I did a takeover with them on Instagram, so if you want to see that, it's like last week. It comes with the matching top, and then I'm just wearing like a Nike jacket on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and like figure this breakfast situation out and then eat and get to work. Okay, so I finished my meeting. I am looking like a greasy pig, but it's fine. I mean, kind of a look. Anyways, I just changed into the outfit that I need to shoot for Lulu's, and then I'm at this spot that I found from TikTok actually, and it was this blogger that's like mentioned like a great spot to shoot in Culver City. So it was close by, so I really have to pee. Oh, I really have to pee. There's a bird over there, like a scooter bird, and I think I'm gonna ride that to the spot. I also have my tripod and everything, so let's go do this. Alright, so I finished filming. I actually came to In-N-Out to eat some food because I haven't had anything to eat since this morning, and it's now like 4:46. I have class at 6:30, so I'm supposed to arrive home at 5:57, which is an hour and 13 minutes drive from Culver City to Pasadena. So it is a while, but it's okay. I like listening to like the Bible in the car or something. But yeah, I'm gonna just eat some food. Nothing really special. Again, I have class tonight. I still have to pee really bad. Good morning, you guys. It's Thursday of the weekly vlog, and yes, I'm in bed, and wow, I am just not having the best morning. I slept in today. I have a few assignments to do for school, so I think today I want to dedicate the day for school. As you guys know, I'm like a full-time, not full-time, I'm part-time seminary student, and I have two kind of part-time, full-time jobs, I guess. Sometimes I have those days where it's like, you just really can't, you know, especially with like the current climate of this coronavirus and stuff. I don't really know what I'm saying. I'm gonna do some schoolwork, and then tonight I have worship practice. I was supposed to go to an event today, but it got canceled because of coronavirus with one of my friends, Alana. So that's not really happening, which is probably it's good because I can do my homework and stuff. I have a lot of stuff to clean. I have a few packages to open, a few emails to respond to. That's about it. I shot a lot of content that I'm gonna be posting like today and tomorrow, so content wise we're okay. Might do a little bit of a purge for my clothes and stuff to donate, because you know I just constantly have to like donate a lot of my clothes. But it's kind of a gloomy day today. It's supposed to be rainy all this week, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get up now. I just opened up this package from my friends at Pop Chips, and I haven't tried a few of these flavors, so I'm really excited. There's my dog. We've got pea chips and cheddar and sour cream, peanut butter chocolate. We've got like the regular barbecue flavors and sea salt in there as well. So really excited about this. The other package I got was from Skims. This is Kim Kardashian's lingerie line. I got like a few of her tape and stuff, her booby tape and things. This is not from her line, but I'm reviewing a few different brands of like booby tape in one review, so that's why I just threw it all in here in box. I'm actually wearing one of her bras right now just to like see how I feel in it. I know within the first 5 seconds of putting on a bra, like I know if I'll like it or not. So I don't want to give too much away, but I'm just trying out a few of her other styles as I've reviewed a few other ones before when she first launched. And yeah, I don't want to give away too much, but I think when a brand starts to diversify in their products, you can be a little tricky, you know. So so I'm gonna be in this for the next few hours, see how I feel, and then probably like, you know, just be reviewing and testing and researching and things. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my celery juice. I already cut these up yesterday. I need to rinse this guy and just chop off the ends, and then we'll go ahead and juice. Pretty much, we'll just juice the rest of this. Alright, here is all of that great celery juice. I typically will drink it with ice, but today I'm not going to. Cheers! So I booked a flight to New York a few weeks ago, and I think I might have to cancel it now just because of the state of like everything that's going on. So I'm on the phone with Chase right now because I booked it through my travel reward points and stuff to cover the flight, and I've been on the phone for the last 45 minutes. I'm gonna keep them on the line, finish doing the dishes and stuff, and then hopefully get in contact with somebody from the other side. I hope so. Okay, so I finally got ready now for the day. I put some makeup on, and it's raining outside if you can't hear it, but I have to go pick my brother up now from school because his golf match got canceled because of the rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up. We might do a little bit of a snack situation. I don't know if we should go out or at home. But I just like washed all my bedding and stuff because I just felt like it was a good time because I have a little bit more time today. And yeah, so I washed all my sheets. That's all good. I'm gonna go pick up my brother. I'm gonna leave my camera here, and then I'll see you guys probably when we get back home. Good morning, you guys. It's been a few days since I've vlogged. I am now at church and it's Sunday. A lot has happened in the last few days, and yeah, I mean, I don't really think we need to talk about it. You already know what's going on in the media and everything, but I've just been staying home for the last few days. You know, it's really important to me and my family's health that we take the correct steps, and I never want to just accidentally go to an event or a social meeting and, you know, just trying not to spread germs as much as possible. That's a little bit better. So anyways, yeah, I also started that time of the month, so I'm not feeling so great. I don't know why this time around I'm getting really bad symptoms, and yeah, so my head hurts, my back hurts, everything is swollen, my face is swollen, like, yeah, it's just a mess. But anyways, I'm here at church now, and surprisingly our church isn't doing like online situation right now, which, you know, is kind of surprising. But there's still quite a few people here, and I'm gonna go ahead and go inside now. It's crazy, isn't it? But yeah, I'm gonna go inside now, and I will see you guys after church. Okay, you guys, good morning. So we are officially social distancing. It's now like Wednesday. I filmed that on Sunday. The last clip was filmed on Sunday. I'm actually now editing this vlog and I realize it's actually quite boring, but because we're social distancing, I think it's also nice to just like post random vlogs like this. The next weekly vlog will probably be me doing random things around the house and just like what I do during this time and how I film content and post content, or like how I create content while I'm indoors and things. There's a few things that I want to do today, and I am going to write them down in my planner because I feel like that really helps. So yes, I'm supposed to have class tonight online, and I wanted to write down some of the things that I'm gonna do. So color coordinating is my favorite part. I like using like my Muji pens to write in my planner. Okay, so today I want to go ahead and do a few things. First of all, I want to finish editing this vlog here, so I'm gonna write edit vlog. The next thing is I want to film a at-home TikTok video, like what I do at home, kind of ideas like during this quarantine time. So I want to film that. I want to finish my campaign with Dior. Dior video. And then I also want to finish my essay. I need to brainstorm content for Kula. I need to respond to a few emails, do my budgeting this week. I also need to, purge. I want to purge some clothes, maybe wash my makeup brushes. Yeah, I think that's about it that I want to do today. I've created a lot of content in advance, so I could just like post that, which is really nice. But yeah, so that's what I just wrote down in my planner. I also so I brainstorm a lot of my TikTok ideas onto like this notepad that I have, so I might just spend some time doing that. I need to read my Bible today, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna like do a few other things, like little random errands and things, like clean up this part of my room. And for the most part I've been pretty good at like maintaining the way my room looks, but I hope you guys are doing okay during this like whole quarantine situation and things. I mean, I think it is really amazing to see the whole country and all of society literally doing a 180. It's crazy and also really great and encouraging to see. Like, I've never seen our country do something, or at least even like our city do something together where we're all a part of the same kind of goal, and it's just really refreshing and nice to see. So I really like that, and I hope that, you know, this time can give a lot of people time to reflect on like what we think of work in our society and how we view work-life balance, how we view stress, how we view depression and anxiety, because a lot of those things are caused by the stress that we get from work and things. And you know, I think this is a really great way to kind of reorder our priorities, shift our thinking into what's important in life. And I know for a fact, like, we're not gonna be acting the same once all of this is over. And I think that's the most, like, it's a miracle, honestly, which I think is amazing. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna brainstorm a few YouTube video ideas, but I think hopefully, let me know if you guys like these like weekly vlog style videos. I want to keep going with the vlogs, but obviously I'm gonna do a few sit down videos as well. So I think that's the end of this video for this week. I know I didn't do much, but I hope you still enjoyed, and hopefully stay tuned for the next vlog where we're gonna be home. I'm gonna be learning to do a lot of new things and making things, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!